That's the entrance of the other waterfall. Here's this waterfall. No, you can't. Okay, my mom's going down the waterfall.
I gotta pee.
Go pee in the background. Go pee in the background. How about you pee in the background? How about we go down? Kill my thing. Come down, please. I'm a star. I'm in the last 3 videos. Can I have the... Thank you. Here's the waterfall up close. There's water. Look at his little pool. There's a little pool right here. Made branches. I think it's a dam. I think that's poison ivy, so I'm gonna stay away from it. Go on the rocks. Wow. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Here's a little tiny waterfall. Oh, look, rocks. Rocks. I'm gonna pick one. See which one I like. There's oil. Guys, you have to see this. Probably can't see it, but there's oil in there.
Where?
In that little spot.
Yeah.
There's oil right there. I'm probably gonna choose K. Okay, I'm probably gonna get that rock. Probably gonna get this rock right here. So, got it. I got it. I got it. That's the rock. Put it in my pocket. There's a little pool right here. It's little. It's cute.
Come on, dude.
Where's Carter? There we go. I was gonna go in that little corner and go pee pee. So, okay, my dad's gonna hold the phone. Adventure!
Saw your underwear.
This is actually a pretty cool bench. I haven't seen one like this.